Okay, I have to cut the lawn, but before I do, I figured I want to change the blade out, and I'll just keep the other one as a replacement and get that sharpened and swap it out when I need to. And then I also have to change the spark plug, and the wheels have totally worn down, so I'm going to also replace the wheels while I'm at it. I get to use my DeWalt impact wrench to take the blade off. Let's get started. So since I am going to be replacing the spark plug, whenever you change the blades or do anything you know, close to your engine and blades, you need to take off the spark plug cap and keep it far away so it doesn't jump a spark. But I'm going to go ahead and take the spark plug, oops, sorry, I'm going to go ahead and take the spark plug off. So we put that little spark plug wrench on there. The turn should come right out. Yeah, got a lot of carbon on it, I guess. So we'll replace that. The other thing I'm going to do, just to be, you know, safe again, is it won't start, but I don't want to risk having gas flying all over. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off my little fuel line there. On these lawnmowers, which is, I always read the instructions for maintenance because I don't want to mess it up, but for this lawnmower, you want to tilt the lawnmower so the air filter's up. I didn't read the manual the last time, or the first time, and of course I tilted it down and I got oil all over my air filter, so I'll never do that again. But anyway, so I'm going to be tilting the lawnmower with the air filter up. I'm going to put a C-clamp here, stop the blade. I'm going to see if this works better. I put a block of wood last time, and it just moves the block of wood around and everything. So I saw on YouTube, of course, somebody used the C-clamps. There's also a blade lock you can get. I don't need that. That's the only thing I'd use it for, so. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Okay, here we go. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. I'll make sure I got that in the right direction. Now that totally is much better than trying to do it by hand. That'd really be a pain. Yep, that's good. Now I got the blade, this is a quadra-cut, so it's got two blades, and I got the one that I mulch most of my clippings. There's only maybe once or twice when I'll bag it, as you saw before, just to get some of the grass up to add to the compost, or sometimes the first cut of the season I will bag it. But anyway, so I got us the blade that doesn't provide as much lift up into your bag since I mulch, so it'll keep it down more. And let's go ahead and put these on. Now the good thing about this is, you know, they make it to where you really can't put the blades on wrong. I mean, they match perfectly and all that. Now I've got a torque wrench here, and I need to make it between 36 and 43. So I don't know if you could see it, but I adjusted my torque. And a lot of people just use, yeah, I've seen, you know, and even professionals, you know, that are showing YouTube videos, they're not using a torque wrench, but, you know, I don't want to mess this up, so I'm going to use a torque wrench. Okay, one other thing you want to do is put some gloves on, just to help protect your hands so they don't get scratched up or anything. We're going to put this on, and we're going to tighten it until we hear a click. You may or may not hear it. Oh, it's all scummy. Okay, on these you have to make sure you put the back ones on the back. These are the back. This is the front. B, back. Ooh. Okay, the wheels are on. Just need to replace the air filter. Okay, replace the air filter. Okay, spark plug next. One start cold. All right, that's good. Okay, so we are ready for this season's weekly lawnmower cutting. Oh, how fun. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.